All right, this is order of operations practice number 6. If you have the companion resource, the focus on this one is going to be on parentheses and nested parentheses or parentheses inside the parentheses. So because we are on our 6th video, we're just going to jump right in. I'm actually still going to write PEMDAS off to the side here just so we have it as a reminder. All right, so number 1 is parentheses 12 plus parentheses 12 divided by 6, close parentheses, times 2. All right, so on this one, I'm really just looking at where my parentheses, and I always want to start out on the innermost parentheses. All right, so my innermost operation is 12 divided by 6, which is 2. And then I'm just going to rewrite everything else. Now, since I've completed the one operation in this parentheses, I can get rid of those parentheses, but I have to keep the others because I haven't finished all the operations inside of them. All right, so my next operation is 12 plus 2. It's inside my parentheses. That's why I'm doing it next, which gives me 14. Again, once I've done the operation inside the parentheses, those parentheses can go away. And I'm going to rewrite, and I'm left with 14 times 2, which gives me 28. Now, I went a little fast on this one, but again, this is the 6th video we've done, so if you want, you can always go back and look at some of the previous videos where the explanation is a little bit slower. But again, I'm going to go pretty quick on these because this is our 6th practice video. All right, number 2. So I've got 2 parentheses and then 15 plus 8, close parentheses, times 2. Sorry, my multiplication symbol looks a little weird there. Let's try that again. Times 2, and then close parentheses, plus 13. All right, so again, doing my innermost parentheses, the one that's the furthest inside, so I've got my 15 plus 8 first, which gives me 23. Because I've done the only operation in the parentheses, those parentheses can go away. And then I'm going to rewrite the rest of my problem. Okay. Next operation is the one inside the parentheses, so it's 23 times 2, which gives me 46. Again, once I've done the operation in the parentheses, those parentheses can go away. Rewrite the rest of my problem. And then 46 plus 13 gives me 59. All right, here we go. Number 3, last one for this video. And again, I know I'm going very quickly on this, but if you want to review some of the previous videos on this, if you want a little bit more explanation. All right, so this one is 18 plus 5 times parentheses 16 minus 5, close parentheses, close parentheses. So once again, as I look at my parentheses, I want to find the operation that's in the innermost. So this one is tucked away in here. All right, so I do this operation first. So 16 minus 5 gives me 11. Parentheses go away for that operation. Rewrite the rest of my problem. So I'm left with 18 plus parentheses 5 times 11, close parentheses. So I'm going to do what's in the parentheses again. So 5 times 11 is 55. Rewrite my problem. And then I end up with 55 plus 18, which just for fun, I'm going to do it over here to the side. 5 plus 8 gives me 13. Carry my 1. 1 plus 5 plus 1 gives me 7. So I end up with 73 as my final answer. All right. Again, I know I went pretty quickly on those, so if you need to look back at some of the previous order of operations practice videos, if you need a little bit more explanation, those are available.